Hi, it's Miss Megan and welcome to Circle Time, or Story Time for Wednesday. We are going to read about more parts of the plant. The first one we're going to look at is stems. Stems join the leaves and roots of a plant. Most stems grow above the soil. Leaves grow from stems. Stems hold up leaves to the sun, and leaves make food out of sunlight. Stems act like straws. They carry food from the leaves and the roots to the whole plant. Tall, woody tree trunks are stems covered with bark. The bark protects the stem. Strawberry plants have long, thin stems. The stems creep along the top of the soil. Can you see the stem? Looks really different from a tree trunk. Tulip bulbs are underground stems. In spring, leaves grow up and the tulips bloom. And then you can see the bulb down there. That's a bulb. Some stems are good to eat. Celery stems are a crunchy snack. Asparagus stems grow quickly. These stems are called spears. If you recognize that food, you might have eaten it before. Woody or soft, thick or thin, stems help plants stay alive. The end. That was stems. We're going to move on to the next part of the plant, which is leaves. Leaves grow from the stems of plants. Most leaves are green. Leaves make food for the whole plant. They use water, air, and sunlight to make the food. You might recognize this plant because we have one in our classroom. Veins inside leaves bring the food to the stem. Stems carry the food to the rest of the plant. You can see the leaves there, or the veins. Leaves give off oxygen when they make food, and we breathe oxygen. Thin pine tree leaves look like needles. They stay green all year long. That's why we call them evergreen trees, because in the fall they don't turn red and brown and fall off. Broad maple leaves turn orange and yellow in autumn. They fall off the tree. New leaves grow in spring. Lettuce leaves make a tasty salad. Each head of lettuce has layers of leaves. If you've ever eaten a salad, that's the leaves of the plant. Giraffes eat only leaves. They spend most of the day biting leaves off treetops. Broad or narrow, soft or fuzzy, leaves help plants stay alive. And that was plant parts, leaves. The last one we're going to read about plant parts is flowers. Flowers make seeds and fruits for plants. Flowers come in many colors, shapes, and sizes. Flower buds grow from the stem of a plant. The buds open and flowers bloom. So in this picture we can see some buds. We can also see a flower that has bloomed. Flowers have pollen inside. Pollen helps flowers make seeds. Parts of the flower turn into fruit. Seeds grow inside the fruit and new plants grow from seeds. So we can see this kind of looks like maybe a tomato, because that flower is yellow, or a pumpkin. Colorful flower petals attract birds. The birds sip on nectar inside the flowers. Roses have soft petals that smell good. Roses grow on bushes. We eat some flowers. Cauliflower is a white flower. We eat it raw or cooked. So I'm going to get closer. If you can see right in the middle, that's cauliflower. And it's not the seed or stem or leaf or root, it's the flower. Artichokes are flower buds. They make good dips and sauces. So you might recognize this in artichoke as well. You can pull off the parts of the flower and eat it. Pretty or plain, large or small, flowers help plants make fruit and seeds. The end. And that was plant parts, flowers. I'll see you tomorrow for Thursday story time. Bye.